Hello everybody, it's Chris here today from Phone and Computer World, and in this video we're going to show you how to reset your iPhone 7. This is a factory reset. The reason why you'd want to do a factory reset is if you're looking to sell your phone, you're going to trade it in and you need all your data off it. This is how you do it. Whether you just want your data off there in general, maybe you're giving your phone to somebody else, this is how you can get all your data and all your settings all back to brand new. So all we do is we go into settings, we go to general, we scroll down here to reset, click that, and we need to click the second one, erase all content and settings. Must be the second one, none of us will work. All content and settings, click, and it's simple. You just click erase and erase your iPhone. It'll go to this now and it should start loading all the way, and as soon as it reaches the end your iPhone will be back to factory settings, just like so. That's how it works, and as soon as it's finished you're all ready to go. So thank you everybody for watching today. Hope this has been helpful to you all. Please like, comment and subscribe for some more videos, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.